Hi, my name is George McGill. I'm the mayor of the city of Fort Smith. The upcoming video is going to give you information about the vaccine, its impact on our community, and how important it is for you to take it. Join us and pay close attention to the things you need to do to protect yourself, your family.
The Arkansas Department of Health wants to share the full history, development, and implementation of the COVID-19 vaccination with the citizens of Arkansas. In December of 2019, a cluster of pneumonia cases of unknown origin were first reported to the Chinese Central National Health Commission. By January 7th, the novel coronavirus was isolated and the genome sequence of the virus was shared with scientists to find a vaccination. Before the end of the month, the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein gene construct was designed. By March 16th, human volunteers were given the first vaccine trials from companies Moderna and Pfizer. The International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses named the virus SARS-CoV-2, and the World Health Organization named the disease it causes COVID-19. As of today's date, Moderna and Pfizer are the only companies producing vaccinations authorized by the FDA for the citizens of the United States. Other vaccine options may be available once their data is completed and authorized by the FDA. The vaccine developed by Pfizer held clinical trials in the United States involving 37,586 participants. The results showed the vaccine to be 95% effective. In the report, those given the placebo had 162 cases of COVID, compared to the vaccinated participants who reported 8 cases. The vaccine showed to be consistently effective no matter the age, gender, race, and ethnicity of the person receiving it. The Pfizer vaccine is administered as a series of 2 doses, 3 weeks apart. No serious safety concerns were observed during these vaccine trials. The vaccine developed by Moderna involved 30,351 people. Data showed a 94% success in virus prevention. The placebo group reported 185 cases of COVID-19. The group given the vaccine reported 11 cases. The vaccine produced by Moderna is administered in 2 doses, 4 weeks apart. Like with the Pfizer vaccine, the Moderna vaccine proved consistent results regardless of age, gender, race, and ethnicity. No serious safety concerns were observed. Here you can see the typical timeline for vaccine production. Generally, most vaccines take years until large-scale distribution occurs. The SARS-CoV-2 vaccine was so quickly developed because of its similarities with another virus which was already being studied. This pre-existing research and advancements in technology helped reduce the timeline for COVID-19 vaccination to ensure its safety to the public. All COVID-19 vaccines authorized by the FDA have gone through the same rigorous regulatory review as previous vaccines. Before a vaccine is authorized by the FDA, it undergoes strict regulatory reviews to make sure it's safe. These systems review the vaccine to make sure it's safe for public use. Vaccines and Related Biological Products Advisory Committee, the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, and Independent Data and Safety Monitoring Board. After the vaccine has been authorized by the FDA, it's then released to be given to those who need it. During this time, several systems continue to review the success and effects. It's important to continually measure the success of the vaccine for the safety of the public. Safety and monitoring is extremely important in every vaccine. There are many systems dedicated to monitoring the results of the COVID-19 vaccine. They are Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System, post-licensure rapid immunization safety monitoring, vaccine safety data link, and clinical immunization safety assessment. If you experience adverse effects from a vaccine, you can contact the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System, VAERS, at 1-800-822-7967 or online at vaers.hhs.gov. The Arkansas COVID-19 vaccination plan is in the beginning stages. Currently, people who qualify for vaccination include those who work in healthcare, those working with long-term care residents, law enforcement and fire departments who serve as first responders, people 70 years of age and older, teachers, school staff, child care and higher education workers. If you qualify, talk to your local pharmacies and medical clinics to see if they can get you in for your vaccination. Currently, the Arkansas COVID vaccination plan is actively in Phase 1. Supplies may be limited because we are in the beginning phase. More vaccines will be available during Phase 2 and 3 when the majority of the population can receive the vaccine. It is important to remember these vaccines come in 2 doses, spaced 3 to 4 weeks apart. Remember to come in for your second appointment after you receive the first dose. The second dose is necessary for the vaccine to be effective. Information provided in this public service announcement comes directly from the Arkansas Department of Health and the State Epidemiologist Office.